guys, for those of you guys who love your car and want your engine bay spotless, want your caliper and even the bottom of your car and the interior of your car spotless, I got a way for you and I'm gonna take you guys through the process today. You guys ready for it? Let's go! Yo, what's good guys? So we're here at the Dry Ice cleaning place. Today we're gonna clean the engine of a 32 years old car in less than 1 hour, without water, without any chemical, and every little dirt particle and all the gunk that's been building up for 32 years old is gonna be clean. Again, chemical free, water free in less than 1 hour. You guys know those rubber parts that are in the car that has yellow gunk on it? It'll be gone. All the oil stain that's been collective conscious in that engine bay, all gonna be gone within less than 1 hour. That's crazy. It can also clean the interior of the car, the dashboard, the seat, the bottom of the car, the suspension, the brake, just about everything. And well, the price depends on your car and your car size and what you wanna do with it. But for that, contact the owner of this place and I'll leave the information down below. And if you guys wanna know anything else, DM me. I'll also leave my line information or just write me a question down here and I'll get back to you. So for now, I'll let them do their thing and I'll show you the before and after of this dry ice cleaning process, man. Peace. How do you like it, guys? That only took us less than 1 hour to clean. Again, no water, no chemical. It's good for the environment, plus it's good for yourself because I don't think a lot of chemical is good for your lungs and your hand and your skin, right? So that's that, guys. If you guys are interested in cleaning with this method in your car, whether it will be a wheelbarrow on the bottom of your car or the engine bay or interior restoration, let us know. I'll leave the link at this place down below, but I'm also gonna be investing in this machine too. So next year, we'll have it at our shop as well. And if you guys wanna know about that, just write me. If you guys wanna book a queue or anything, let me know. I'll leave my line down below as well. Hopefully this helped you guys into deciding what you wanna do and how you wanna clean your car. And yeah, man, like I said, any question, DM or line me down below. Peace and love, yo. Happy New Year. See you in 2022.
Yeah, welcome to my kingdom.